kind of over here by the side trying to catch these eddies going the other way. And it's been working so far, but I don't know, the shore is closing in on me. Getting pretty swirly in here. Boy, the boat's getting swung all over. That guy over there was waving me to move over, and I didn't realize he had a diver in the water until I was well past him, because his diver flag is really small and it's like hidden off to the side. I didn't check it actually. Oh, look how green my spreaders are. Oh, how embarrassing. I don't look up there very often. Okay, nice destination is Gig Harbor. About ready to pass Vashon Island here. Last time I was here was 3 years ago on water trails, a little power boat that I had, a little power cruiser, and so I'm pretty excited about being here right now. It's taken me 3 years to get back, so I'm headed up that way. It's towards Blake Island, and that's Seattle in the distance, and so I should certainly make Blake Island today, and hopefully maybe further. keep a lookout because they go very fast. And they come all of a sudden. Someone getting in tow. I've got the current in my favor, about 2 knots of current. And I'm headed for the Tacoma Narrows, where the current is about 5.5 knots right now. Which should really give me a boost. Just about to enter Tacoma Narrows during a full flood tide. The current is at least 5.5 knots. So we've just left the Tacoma waterfront, and there's Calvo's Passage. That's the passage that runs north all the time. Doesn't matter what the tide is doing, the current's always running north. And my speed is 8 knots, even though my engine is only pushing me about 4.5 knots. I have my mainsail up. You're starting to get into some serious currents. Look at that. Whoa, that's just pushing the boat around. I'm not steering at all. Got the autopilot on. Poor autopilot. Probably confused. What is going on? More than my microchip can handle. Wow. I'm glad I'm going with it, not against it. You don't go against the current like this. To top it off, it got really windy all of a sudden. Headwind, so my mainsail that I've been using for stabilization is now really powering the boat quite a bit. And got all this swirling going on. Tidal rapids. Wow. Wow, I just went under the bridge and I didn't look up once. I was too busy looking at the water coming through here during flood tide. Favor the western shore over there, the west side of the Tacoma Narrows Bridge, because it is clearly much calmer over there than it is over here. This is like rapids banging against rocks over here. Back there where I was under the Tacoma Narrows Bridge, there was rapids there, but now they're gone. So the tidal current has shifted and has moved further upstream here, and now I'm just about to enter it. And I went down from 11 knots to just 9.5 knots. The calm side looks like it's actually flowing in the reverse direction, but it's not. It's just flowing more slowly than this side. And where the two meet, the confluences, is where all that white water is. So I'm right in the right spot for maximizing speed. something.